Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I've got a nice little fun program for you today. It's a countdown program using time. Okay, so we're going to create the first subroutine and we're going to call it countdown. Now we're going to use the print command. This is going to be enter number. So we get the user to enter a number into there. Then we're going to use some standard input, which is going to be my scalar entry, and assign it to standard input. Get some user input, and then we're going to create a variable called count and assign it to entry. So we're going to enter a number in there and we're going to count down in seconds. Now we're going to use until the scalar count is equal to 0. So for example, a person could have entered number 5 into there 5 seconds, and it's going to count down until it's equal to 0. So then we're going to print scalar count and a new line character, and then we're going to create scalar count is assigned to scalar count minus 1. So we're going to count down. So for example, if we entered 5 in here, we'll count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to add sleep here, the sleep function, to give it a little pause. So when it counts down, it doesn't go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 with a 1 second pause. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create another subroutine here called blast off. I'm just going to give it a little pause here, sleep for 1 second. So you get a little pause here so we can see what's going on in the program, and then we print blast off and a new line character there. Okay, now all we have to do is to call these subroutines. So the first subroutine I want to run is this one up here called countdown. And after that, we're going to run this one, blast off. What we do now is save it and run the program. Okay, so I'm going to enter 10 in here, which represents 10 seconds. Hit enter. Blast off, there we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it again because I think that was a little bit small there. So let's just increase the font size. So let's do it from 8 this time. It's got a bit bigger than that. Okay. Let's do it from 8 seconds this time. So hit enter. blast off. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed that, and as always, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.